Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to integrate Printful with your WordPress website in 2025 so that you can start selling print on demand products without managing any inventory or shipping. It is quite fast, simple and beginner friendly. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and then simply search for your website /wp admin. Then you need to provide your login credentials and come in your website's dashboard just like so. Over here, simply hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of add plugins. Here, the plugin that you need to install is called WooCommerce. So simply search for WooCommerce over here. Once you are able to find the WooCommerce extension, click on the install now button first, then click on the option of active. So you need to follow the setup wizard to configure your store basics like currency, location and the payment method. Once you are done with it, simply open a new tab and come on printful.com. Over here, click on the sign in option in the top right hand corner of the screen and you need to basically log in into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can just simply click on this sign up button in the top right hand corner of the screen and sign up for your free account. You will use this account to design your product and manage your orders. Now once you are done, simply just go back to this page where you have the WooCommerce plugin installed. Over here in the WooCommerce, simply just go to the home page and search for the Printful integration. Once you are able to find that, you just have to simply select that option. You can also add the same plugin. So simply come on the plugins section, click on the add plugins option. Over here, search for Printful integration for WooCommerce, and this is the extension that we want. Click on the install option and then click on the active option. Once it is activated successfully, you need to go to your Printful account and then go in your settings. In your settings, simply click on the connect option and log in into your Printful account. Afterwards, you need to authorize the connection and then your store will be linked directly to Printful. So this is how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.